For our next destination, we're headed to a place that's been thrilling Texans for over 130 years. Need a hint? Its main attraction is one of the tallest and most famous icons in the entire country, and it comes with a pretty cool cowboy hat too. That's right, we're on our way to meet Big Tex at the State Fair of Texas. Held each year at the beautiful Fair Park in Dallas, the Texas State Fair is regarded as one of the biggest and best fairs in all of America. From great music to thrilling rides to some pretty delicious fair food, this annual celebration has definitely got something for everyone. If you like your cowboys big and handsome, well, meet Big Tex. He's also known as the world's tallest cowboy and has been the fair's official greeter since 1952. Well, we see you, Big Tex, and we're ready to hit the grounds. And with so many options of things to do, I met up with the VP of Public Relations to learn where I should go to first.
We were back in Dallas when there really wasn't much out here. This is Fair Park now, and it's our home and has been for all 131 years. 277 acres.
Oh my goodness.
So yes, quite gigantic. We like things big up here in Texas.
Yes, yes. And then we have quite the schedule today. So what all we're going to be taken through on our first day here at the State Fair of Texas?
You'll get to see the Wild West Pet Palooza, take a ride on the top of Texas Tower, which is 500 feet tall, up into the air. You get a beautiful view of downtown Dallas. Okay. And on a clear day, you can see all the way to Fort Worth. It's just going to be, I hope that you have a lot of fun when you're out here. There's more than 100 free things to do with admission to the State Fair of Texas every day. So really, it's just like this whole little town set up in the matter of 24 days.
Wow, wow. I've saved some room. I ate a light lunch.
That's good.
And I'm ready to hit the ground. So thank you so much for your time. I'm ready to get going.
Have a great time.
Our first stop, we headed to the Wild West Pet Palooza, where we heard the performers are pretty adorable.
The really unique thing about this show is that it's put on by primarily rescue animals. So we scour the country, we go to all different shelters, and we will check out different dogs, cats, birds, macaws, whatever, pigs, anything you can think of. And then we see the kind of personality that really likes to kind of be a ham and likes to be on stage and likes to do fun stuff. And we'll take them out and we'll train them and we'll show the public just how great rescue animals really can be.
These once homeless animals are now a family-friendly highlight at the fair, and as much as I wanted to keep cuddling, I was only at the beginning of our visit. Now it's off to see an acrobatic show. I'm here with Katana with the Zuzu African Acrobats. How long have you been doing this? I know you have 10 minutes until you perform.
Yes, I've been doing this for 25 years.
Oh my goodness. So what can we expect to see whenever we watch your show?
Wow, today you're gonna see amazing stuff. We're gonna be doing limbo and chair and rope skipping and battle balance and gymnastic, all the way from East Africa. Don't forget that.
That was impressive, but the day is not over yet. So up next, we're getting a view of the fair like we've never seen before. All right, so this is top of Texas Tower, and this ride is all about the view because they say when you get up there, which is about 500 feet. They say on a clear day, you can see all the way to Jerry's World, which is AT&T Stadium, or as far as Fort Worth. Pretty cool, huh? Hey y'all, welcome to YOLO Texas, where we are eating all the fried food at the State Fair of Texas. Okay, so these are just a few of the foods that you can try here at the State Fair. We have the deep fried chicken noodle soup, we have the funnel cake bacon gesso burger, and we also have a tamale donut. No forks. I'm gonna do, all right, here we go. You got the sweetness of the funnel cake, but you have everything of a burger right there. The queso, the bacon, a little crunch. All right, let's check this tamale donut out. There's tamale in there. Whoa! And last but not least, the deep fried chicken noodle soup. Comes with crackers and some dipping sauce, of course. Have some of this. Turn it around, upside down. Eat this food, guys, so good. This fair was absolutely amazing, and honestly, we only scratched the surface of everything it has to offer, which reminds me, I can't leave here without riding the famous attraction, the Ferris wheel. So, I'll say goodbye for now. Interested in visiting the Texas State Fair? Go to bigtex.com to learn more.